If you're managing product brands and badges the old way, clicking through the dashboard, editing each product individually, you're wasting valuable time, especially when you have dozens or hundreds of products. FlexStock just made it easy. You can now manage product brands and badges directly from Google Sheets. Start by going to your FlexStock settings in WordPress. Find the Product Brands toggle and turn it on. Click Save and Sync. Now open your connected Google Sheet. You'll see a new Brands column. Simply type in the brand name for each product, IKEA, Biome, whatever your products need. You can add multiple brands by separating them with a comma. Save your changes in Sheets, and FlexStock automatically syncs all your brand updates to WooCommerce. All products are updated in seconds. Imagine you run a multi-brand online store with different suppliers. Managing brands used to take an hour. Now with FlexStock, you update all the brands from one Google Sheet in about 5 minutes. It's that simple. You can also manage product badges the same way. Go back to your FlexStock settings and enable product badges. Save and sync. In your Google Sheet, you'll see the new Product Badge column. Choose a badge for each product from the ones you've already created in WooCommerce Badge Management. Just type or select the badge name and you're done. Save your changes and the badges sync to your store automatically. Your customers see them on the shop page and product pages instantly. No dashboard needed. This feature is great for when you do regular flash sales. During a promotion, imagine you need to badge many products as 20% off. Instead of the WordPress dashboard, you update the badge column in Google Sheets. FlexStock syncs everything in seconds. Your customers see the badges go live immediately. Product brand and product badge features are available in FlexStock Pro. Upgrade today and start managing your products smarter.